Imagine you are going on a mysterious journey to the stars and planets and exploring the hidden astrological forces. The blueprint of their principles is revealed to you, which underlie astrology, and you are decoding birth charts and the deeper mysteries of astrology. We offer all of this and much more to you in our certified online intensive course in professional Qabbalistic astrology. The live webinar series in 2021 with baal-shem and the Astro team starts on March 7th. You will receive the essence of 25 years of experience and the unique opportunity to complete the study of Qabbalistic astrology under the personal guidance of Salomo. The basic training with baal-shem includes a systematic introduction into the Qabbalistic basics of astrology, the astrological practice of chart reading and interpretation, partnership astrology, and synastries, as well as transits and progressions. In the basic training, there will be over 40 hours of teaching units and practical exercises, as well as meditations, and additional question-answer sessions, and interesting facts about the origin and history of the mysteries of astrology. You will also learn to calculate horoscopes by hand and by using a horoscope software. We also offer dozens of instructional videos to help you deepen and expand your knowledge and skills acquired in the basic training. In the advanced training, topics include astrology from Qabbalistic, religious, and scientific points of view, mundane astrology, horary and elections, and which role astrology plays in practical magic, the deeper levels of astrology, and the advanced practice of reading a chart, such as fixed stars, lots, Lord of Nativity, Chiron, Lilith, and more. Again, over 40 hours of training, practice, and meditations. Secure your place now for this unique opportunity and take advantage of the super early bird price. If you register before January 31st, 2021, you will find a link for more information about the content and the training and a link for your registration below in the video description.